Okay, so we visited the shooting gallery and the panic room as well. Where are we going now?
Oh, Ethan, wherever you want to go, but not to that roller coaster.
Whoa! Hey, Arnold!
Why are you so slow, Ethan? The contest is ready to start. What contest, huh? The dance contest. 1, 2, 3. The main prize is gonna be mine. Bye, losers.
That's right. Vera told me about it. She's taking part in this contest, George. Let's go.
What, Vera? I wonder who's gonna win this contest.
My dance is better. I've been practicing it for a month. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, there.
My dance is better. Watch this.
Hi there. Vera. Oh, wow, you're so...
Hi. What did you say I am? Did you say I'm beautiful?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I am beautiful. That's because I'm gonna dance on stage now. And I'll win the main prize.
No, you will not.
I'm clean and well-dressed. And you're dirty, and not only that, but you're also horrid as well. They don't give prizes for that.
And now we have the great pleasure of welcoming none other than our Arnold to the stage.
And you're dirty as well.
What do you mean by that?
Because all boys are the same.
Vera.
Don't touch me, you'll spoil everything.
But you have
Don't stand there like that. You're distracting me. Go take your seats. Just go on now, guys.
But wait, it's important.
I said go sit down.
Arnold splashed her really badly, and she didn't even notice.
What a shame. How is she gonna dance with that blood on her?
I don't care. Why is she so presumptuous?
Vera can't go with that blot on stage. It'll be so embarrassing. And because she thinks she's so pretty, everyone's gonna laugh at her.
She shouldn't have said that we are dirty.
But George, if everybody laughs at her, she'll start crying.
She'll cry?
Because Vera is our close friend. We need to tell her about that blot. Let's go.
Then you call yourself my friend.
Vera! Vera, wait.
Don't go on stage, Vera.
But why not?
Just wait. I need to tell you something important.
Let me go.
What should we do? Vera will start dancing any minute. Everyone will see the blot, and they'll start laughing and laughing at her. Oh, dear.
I know what to do.
Okay, and now we will see the unforgettable and magnificent performance of our young and beautiful Vera. Vera, please.
Oh, look at the way she dances. Oh, that's so delightful. Do you see that? Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's wonderful. Bravo, bravo.
All right, everyone. And our first prize goes to the one and only, the amazing Arnold. And we also have one more prize, and that is the People's Choice Award. And it will go to our lovely Vera. Where is Vera?
You ruined everything. I tried so terribly hard.
I'll be back. Just look.
Oh, so you were just trying to help me?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, guys. You're really true friends. I'm really sorry that I called you dirty before. And our dance, it was really good in the end.
Vera, don't be presumptuous anymore.
Uh-huh.
Oh, here's the People's Choice Award for you.
Thank you very much.
Mine is yours, too, because it should be yours. Because that was me who ruined your dance.
No, it's yours. Your dance was very good, too.
You danced well, too.
Well, that's great, Arnold. Let's go somewhere to celebrate this.
But not to the roller coaster.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
Vera, wake up! Happy Women's Day, my dear. We will have a spring cleaning day today.
Dear girls, happy holiday. I bought tickets to the cinema today. We're gonna watch Gone with the Train. Waiting for you at the cinema.
Hooray, we're going to the cinema.
And what about the spring cleaning?
Okay. Oh, man. Let's take a break.
Why don't we leave this cupboard?
Your mother wants a new cupboard, and she's going to get a new cupboard.
That may be so, but it was much closer to bring it to my room. I'll be right back.
Hi, Ethan. What have you been doing?
My dad and I are surprising my mom.
We're bringing a new cupboard to her room.
My dad has prepared a surprise for me, too. He bought cinema tickets. But I think I'm not going.
Why, though?
We need to finish our cleaning today. We have to finish it all today.
No, Vera. Go to the cinema.
I will help my dad.
And then I will help you. What do you think about that, huh? Ow!
What? Hooray, Mom, I know what to do.
But first, I need to get out from under the cupboard.
Where are you going, Ethan?
Just some chore. Do you know how to clean?
Well, theoretically, if I make a mess of the place before cleaning it up again, then yes, I can clean it up then.
Follow me then. We need to save Vera.
Oh, save her from what?
From spring cleaning her whole house.
What's going on here?
What are you doing here?
I came to celebrate, and all I see is this mess, like I'm in the wrong room or something, and no one's here.
Vera's at the cinema. And what you see here is the start of our spring cleaning.
And you should start cleaning with us as well. I mean, you should stay here and help us with the spring cleaning. We could really use the extra hand. I can do it. I will help you. I'll stay here and do the most difficult part. I will write Vera the greeting card.
He was so charming and she was so beautiful. How they were at dusk and how he saved her. Their love was so inspiring, don't you think?
Oh, Mom, don't forget there was a happy ending.
It was a very good movie.
They're back home.
What is this? How did this... Oh, no, well, who did this, Vera? Oh. Oh. Oh, Vera, oh.
Thank you, Sam Sparky.
Wait. Why did Vera only thank you, Sam Sparky?
What did you write on the greeting card, Sam Sparky? I just remembered that I need to clean my house as well. My parents are waiting for me, and I gotta go. I'll be late. Hey, wait!
Boys are so funny. Am I right, Mom?
Stop! Do you hear me?
Yes, you're right, especially on Women's Day.
Why would people possibly paint the walls like this?
That's what I'm saying.
Huh?
I fell asleep, and when I woke up, I saw these paintings right here.
Grandpa Billy, I suggest that you don't take any passport photos right now.
This is outrageous.
What?
Shame on you. Who did that?
Well, good. We coped with hooliganism, and I think we did fine.
I thought that you were going to make holes in me. So what are we going to do about these hooligans, eh?
Easy now. An investigation is underway.
Who did that to Grandpa Billy?
We'll see after the investigation.
How will we see afterwards?
Well, first of all, they will find traces of the criminal. And with those traces, they will find the criminal himself. Oh.
Here are the traces.
He looks strangely familiar, guys.
So here you are then.
Oh, so here you are then.
Then.
This is called graffiti. And it's also called modern art, huh?
Well, it looks more like modern hooliganism to me.
Fantastic. You're a good painter. You just need to know where you can and where you cannot paint, and you'll be fine.
And where can I paint?
Well, you know, there are a lot of dull gray fences that you can paint for a start.
Let's make a festival of graffiti here.
That's great. I'll make beautiful paintings right here.
And we will help you.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, you are so good. You see, you can spoil the town with paintings, or you can make it more beautiful.
Well, yes, I suppose it's better.
I agree with that, and there's no more paint on Grandpa Billy, at least.
Yeah. Well, if you'll take another look, you'll see that I actually do have some paint on me.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. I didn't notice.
Do you have scour liquid? Or should I keep this paint on for fun?
Cold water! Clean water! Trains, don't forget to fill your tanks with cold water during the hot weather.
Oh, all the trees might die during the heat. We need to save the park.
Unbelievable! This is a record heat. Half a degree more, and there will be a record of the century.
You know, George, I would have changed this record heat to rain.
George, Ethan, there's a disaster. There's a heat wave in town.
Have you just noticed?
Guys, we have to do something about it, or else all the trees will die. George, we need to do something.
I think that we need to dig a well so that the trees will have some water.
Okay, then. When should we start, guys?
Ethan, bring me my well digger. This here, guys, is the achievement of my mind. The well digger can dig even to the other side of the earth, really.
Yeah, right. And then it arrives on the moon and continues digging there.
I will miss the record because of you. Cold water! Clean water over here!
Hey, George, is there any water here?
There is.
Maybe you should bring some water to this hole from our home.
Oh, it seems there is no water here after all.
Oh. Well, now there won't be any problems with water in the park.
But there will be problems in town.
What am I going to do? My water's run out.
I'm sorry, this is my fault. I told George to do something. I didn't want the park to die.
No, kids. It was our fault that we didn't look after the park. Now, of course, it's not right to leave the town without any plumbing, but it was wrong of us to leave the park without any water. Wouldn't you agree?
Hooray! We have a record! A record! A record! A temperature record! Hooray! A temperature record!
Hey, George, you shouldn't stay in the water, you know. You might blossom.
Today, at long last, my daddy is coming from a long-haul trip, Anthony. We always celebrate his coming back home from long trips.
Celebrations are nice. I only like vaccinations more than celebrations.
Oh, what time is it now? I really don't want to be late. Follow me, Anthony.
You shouldn't go first, Ethan. It could be dangerous.
I'm faster.
Stop, Ethan! Wait! There's an underground crossing here. Oh, you forgot the traffic rules.
Who needs those traffic rules?
Huh.
Hey, that wasn't right at all.
Good afternoon. But Ethan, you can't park over there.
Oh, it's your rules again, I see. Where can I park my trailer then, huh? Follow me, Anthony.
Stop! You can't go through a red light. It's dangerous, Ethan. You could get hurt.
Rules again. It's so boring when you follow every rule. You can't even play touch and run. And that's one of my favorite games. So you lose out, all because of your boring rules. Oh, I made it.
Oh, no, not the sparklers!
Yay! Sparklers.
Where is everybody? There are no guests, no surprises. Tell me, where are the carnival masks? Where are the balloons? Where are the sparklers? And where are all the fireworks?
Yes. Delivery service isn't doing well.
Trains are supposed to follow the schedule,
There must
right?
be something out of the ordinary if they're not here as of yet.
Huh?
something's really wrong.
I think that I know what the problem is here.
Well, here come all of the guests.
Here are the surprises. It's good that we had some reserves. Ethan, now you know why everyone needs rules. It's essential.
Rules are needed in order not to cause others to suffer.
And also, the surprises that you made for your dad will not cause the suffering of other trains either.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
It's raining, and I'm alone again. My mom's at work as always, and nobody calls me. Oh, life is such a bad thing. Hello, Mrs. Dove.
Well, hi there, Vera. Why are you so blue today?
Oh, well, I'm just unlucky in life. My mom told me to buy some engine oil. Mrs. Dove, may I please get half a tank?
Don't be sad. Life is like a railroad at times. It may be flat, it may be downhill, and there are sharp turns sometimes, to be sure, my dear. I have something for you, though. Just wait.
These flowers are so beautiful.
Vera, why beautiful? The wilted flowers? Hi there.
Hello, Vera.
Oh, guys, life is so beautiful.
You really think so? To me, it looks like it's gonna rain soon.
And we were missing a third player. We were going to play soccer.
Yeah, with Sam Spark and his team. They have 3 people, and we only have 2.
I don't like to lose at soccer.
Hooray, soccer! This is so awesome!
Vera, what is happening to you? You never enjoyed soccer before.
You're behaving very strangely today.
That's because Vera is looking at the world through pink glasses. That means she sees only the good side in everything.
Yes, I feel so good.
Are those magic glasses?
Vera, can I try them on?
Of course.
We gotta go.
Wait up, guys. I didn't warn them, but no worries. I know they are going to come back.
What have I done? I was supposed to buy engine oil for my mom.
And you bought glasses instead?
Yes.
Everything's gonna be okay. Now we are gonna win Sam Sparky's team. Then we'll come back to the shop to return the glasses and buy engine oil. Enjoy life. Follow me. Come on, guys.
What's wrong, Ethan? Why are you so distracted?
Did I miss the ball, Anthony?
Of course you did. Maybe you should take off the glasses.
Tell me, was that good? Oh. Mrs. Dove, we really need the pink glasses again so the world can become better.
I don't have pink glasses. I only have these black shades. They're very cool. Do you want to try them on?
Everything looks bad with these glasses.
Yes, but we lost because of the pink glasses.
And I let my mom down because of them.
Don't cry, Vera. We can take some oil Well, from my mother.
And next time we are definitely gonna win.
Look, guys, glasses have nothing to do with all of that, I assure you. They just protect you from the sun. Life is like a railroad. What's most important is to look ahead and move on.
Life is beautiful anyway. Come on, guys. Be careful now. Don't damage the trees.
Vera, be more accurate. What on earth are you doing, George?
It wasn't on purpose.
Why is the 25th in red? Is there a reason? Today was printed in black like the rest of the days.
Well, just maybe they ran out of the color black. And they had a lot of the color red, and that's why they printed 25 in the color red, as you can see now.
George, you found the answer very quickly.
There's no way you're right, George. If you look after the 25th, the 26th is black again. If they would have run out of paint, George, then the rest of the days would be red as well.
Let's ask Anthony about it.
Firstly, this is a calendar.
Well, we already know that, Anthony.
Thirdly, this is...
You mean secondly, don't you?
If I meant to say secondly, I would say secondly. But I could tell at once that you wanted to know why those numbers are red, and that is why I skipped secondly and went straight to thirdly. So thirdly is very simple, you guys. The red color in the calendar means a holiday. The 25th is Paravosov's Day. It's like the town's birthday, so it's a happy day. So now you know why the numbers are in red.
Does that mean we need to prepare a present for our town?
That's right. What are we going to give?
We need to make something beautiful and unique, something never seen before anywhere.
No way, guys. I really don't want you to give me to the town as a present. Let's give the town some music as a present.
What kind of music, Vera?
Like this, George.
Good idea, Vera. Let's start practicing right now.
Ethan, you're doing it all wrong. It goes like this, not this. Okay, now go ahead and try it again.
It's useless. I guess Ethan has no musical ear, guys.
I don't have a musical ear, George. Where can I buy one?
You know what, Ethan? Nature gives it. Some people are born with musical ears, and some simply don't have it.
People say you have no ear for music. Haven't you heard that before?
This is not a laughing matter. But it is a reason to exclude you from our concert. We're sorry.
Ha 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 ha.
Ethan, you're so talented. We have the coal and we have the spare parts. George is here, Ethan is here, and Anthony's here as well. I have to start all over again because of you.
But why? What happened?
Guys, we need to carry these cars to Grandma. She works for the museum as a rarity train, you see? And she needs some spare parts. Could you help me, please?
Sure, I'll help you.
But who's gonna bring presents to my grandma?
Well, me, of course. I am the smartest. I will find the way quickly. With the star's help.
Maybe we need the fastest one here. There is a long way, and you are not that strong.
I am the strongest one here. At least that's what my mom says.
Do you want to check?
Well, I suppose we can.
Hey guys, just take it easy right now, okay? I really don't care who's gonna help me.
No, no, no. We will find the best assistant for you, Vera. The strongest one, the quickest one, and the bravest one. And so, one who'll be the first at that forest is the one who's gonna help Vera.
Okay, now let's see who's the fastest and the strongest here.
And then we'll determine who is the smartest one.
May the best one win, then.
Ethan, be careful! It's a dead end!
Now, who is the strongest one here? And who is the smartest one here? Mate.
It's a dead end.
Hey, young guns. Why are you all looking so sad?
We're trying to understand who is the best helper. We didn't succeed yet.
Why do you need it to know?
To figure out who will help Farrah to bring this to Grandma.
And now I just don't know what to do. I mean, Grandma won't have any coal nor any spare parts.
I brought it to her already.
But when?
In the morning. It was just after Vera asked me to do it.
Vera, we told you that we were gonna do that. Why did you ask Grandpa Billy instead, then?
You were all busy in your stupid competition, so you couldn't help me, could you?
George, Ethan, Anthony. Don't try to figure out who is the best. You just have to try to help out first. The most important thing is to give your grandma your help when she needs your help. That's all. You got it?
Yes, we were all in the game.
This was a real dead end. I'm really sorry, Vera.
That's okay. Next time I'll just ask someone myself.
And, who will that someone be, Vera? What's the joke? Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.